Do you know why there is so much of depression and even teenage suicide that happen in our country these days? One of the main reasons for that is lack of good parenting skills. Keep watching, I'll tell you more about it. I'm Bimal Raj. I'm the CEO and founder of my training company Orange Talks along with my wife Pallavi Walia Raj. And our mission is to reach out to maximum number of parents and children and bring families together and have the beautiful life and bonding that you can really have. All right. Now going back to what I was saying, if you notice, I did not say the challenges with bad parents. No. In fact, today this generation is filled with good and involved parents. In fact, maybe much more than how it was when we were kids. All right. Now, if there are more parents who are more involved, then why is all this happening? The reason to that is that today's parents lack the parenting skills to raise kids of this generation. Okay. Now, think about it. If you buy a Windows PC, Windows 10 PC, okay, and if you try to run it with a Windows 95 operating system, do you think it's going to run? It is not. Unfortunately, that is exactly what we are doing with our parenting skills today. And unfortunately, we don't even know the kind of damage that we are causing to our kids of this generation. Okay, I'll keep talking. I would like to bring you more information about today's parenting challenges and help you with things that you can implement. And if do like the video, if this makes sense to you, and also do comment about your thoughts on today's parenting. What are your experiences dealing with your kids? Let's build a community. Let's help each other and make it a movement. Thank you.